Meanwhile, protests are underway at Vidhana Sauda as the Karnataka BJP intensifies its demand for Chief Minister Siddaramaya's resignation over the Mudda scam. Led by leaders of the opposition R. Ashoka and Cheluvadi Narayanaswamy along with B.Y. Vijendra, BJP functionaries and workers have gathered at the Mahatma Gandhi statue to press for CM's resignation. Now they are protesting the High Court's ruling in favor of the governor's orders, which has not deterred the BJP from questioning Siddaramaya's decision to remain in office. The demonstrators are calling for the probe into the Mudda and Valmiki Corporation scams to be handed over to the CBI, alleging mismanagement under the current government.
Directly they told it is a scandal. That's why court is saying, not BJP, not anybody. Court is saying it is a scandal. So that's why we are asking the resignation of Mr. Siddaramaya. When court is given the verdict, Siddaramaya naturally is no right to sit in that seat. That's why we are demanding the resignation.
You're also saying many are demanding in Congress. Said that Lokaयुcta is an independent investigating agency.
No, who will appointment the police officer? Government is appointing the police officers. How can it become independent? The Lokaयुcta is independent, but enquiry officer is not independent.
You're also saying pressure for FIR to be registered as soon as possible.
100%, no doubt at all. Already court given verdict, FIR has to register.
You're also saying there are many aspirants in Congress itself?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, more than 10.
ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆದೇಶದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರು. ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ